Okay. Assalamualaikum and Assalamualaikum.
And good day to
Good
you.
day to Doctor. My name is Muhammad Hafiz and this is my group mate Ang Chung Wei.
Yeah.
Okay, so today for the Lab 1 Part B, I will present. So this is the code, the coding. And then as you can see is a val 1. The data type is dword, double word, and for final val also is data type is dword, double word. Okay, so first of all we have to rebuild. Okay, so as you can see here, there is 1 succeeded and 0 failed, which means the coding is succeeded. There's no error or something. Okay, so moving on to step over. Alright, this goes first, main ASM. Okay, so as you can see, there is 5 different window. Watch 1, autos, memory 1, register, and the assembly. Okay, so for watch 1, we have to add item for our variable. Like example, val 1, press enter. So this is the value. Okay, add another one, val 2, enter. Okay, that is the value. And val 3, and finally final val. Okay, make sure the variable we key in the coding is same like we want to add item here. For let's also enter. Okay, so the reason the final val is 0 because there is no value currently in the final val variable. So we have to next step is we have to step over. Okay, so move 10,000 hexadecimal into variable val 1. Okay, and then we press F10 again. Okay, now it will add 40,000 hexadecimal into val 2. Into EAX. EAX. Okay. So the first step is 10,000, right? And then we add another 40,000, so it will be 50,000 right now. And then hexadecimal. And then we will subtract minus, so the 50,000 hexa minus 20,000 hexa. And then lastly, the final result will move to final val. Okay, okay. So as you can see here, you see final val. Now it will have the value, because after the addition and subtracting, the latest value, current value will add into the final val variable. Alright, and then I guess that's it, and then we just exit. Alright, that's all.
Alright, so right now I'm going to present the Lab 1C. Alright, so right now we're going to rebuild the Lab 1. So as you can see, 1 succeeded, so no error found. After that, we are going to start over. Right, this close. Now, as you can see, we have 5 windows: watch 1, autos, memory 1, register, and assembly. So right now we're going to add the item to the watch 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 8 variables. So right now val w1, and the value is 4096, and val w2, and the value for w3, the value shown, final val w. Alright, so for the final val w, it doesn't show any value currently, as the program hasn't executed yet right now. So we continue to insert the value b1, value b2, val b3, and the final val b. Alright, so final val b also doesn't have any value yet. Alright, so right now Alright, so right now we are going to start the program. Alright, move val w1 to ax. So we can, as we can see, the ax will be 63612. So we press F10 one more time. We will add val w2 to ax. Then we subtract val w3 to ax. And finally, for the final val w, we store the result into it. So right now, if we press one more time for the F10, we will see the final val w is updated to 12288. Alright, so for the val b1, we started with 10,000 hexadecimal. We moved the 10,000 hexadecimal to AH. So right now AH will be 480. Right, now we add val b2 to AH and we subtract val b3 to AH. Alright, so right now we are going to move the final value to final val b. Alright, so the final val b will be 480. And right now we can exit the program. Alright, this is for our presentation on Lab 1. Thank you.
Thank you.